So now let's see how we can insert and work with column chart inside of Google Docs document. So in order to insert a column chart, I'm just going to go inside of Insert menu, and then I'm going to go to Chart, and then I'm going to click on Column right here. Once I do that, it inserts the chart just like this, and you can edit it out like any other image by going into Image option. But to edit the data, you need to click over here and open the source inside of Google Sheets, because that is where the chart is generated. So what you can do over here is you can go around and then add in data maybe. So I'm just going to not change this out too much. I'm just going to say team 5 right over here, 67 and 69, 9.5 maybe. All right, so just like that, you can see that I can change this around. So in order to change this even further, you can go around on its options right here. So you can go around and then you can edit the chart altogether, and then you have all of the options right here. You can choose the type of the chart you want over here as well, and you can see that you can change around into 100% right over here, change around the stack column just like that. You can change it around into bar chart right over here, you can change it around into line chart and everything else as well. So let's just go around into column chart itself and then work around with other options right here. You can customize it and change out the chart style right here. You can change around the background color just like this. You can change around the border color over here just like that, and work around with whatever you want. So you can go around onto series, you can add in error bars right here, you can add in trend line and so forth, and just like that you can edit out the settings you want. And then what happens is that you can now sync it back into Google Docs. So once the changes are made, I'm going to go back to Google Docs right here. But wait, it's not updated according to the changes we made. That is because we haven't clicked on the update button. So once we click on the update button, what happens is that it just changes out just like that. And that is how you can insert and work with column chart inside of Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.